Meaning of Democrat.
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 Democrat. The word Democrat refers to a person who believes in and supports democratic principles, such as equal representation, individual rights, and the rule of law. In a democratic society, power is held by the people or their elected representatives, rather than a single ruler or group. Democracy aims to create a fair and just society where everyone has a voice and the opportunity to contribute to decision-making. It promotes social and political equality, justice, and freedom while ensuring that the will of the majority does not infringe upon the rights of minorities.